Hi, and welcome to Slow and Steady Studio. I'm Pam, and I am one of Dana K. White's certified decluttering coaches. I'm certified in her no mess decluttering method. Here I am decluttering in our den, which is also a guest bedroom. And if you would like to see the slowed down, unedited version, I also have that. So here I am doing the first step, which is getting rid of easy stuff. First, I'm going to look for trash, and there was a lot of trash in this room. There is a bed under there somewhere. Somehow I had ended up collecting a lot of cardboard boxes, and so I had to break all of those down first. Some of them I set aside to use for donations. So the first three steps are actually all easy stuff. So looking for trash, looking for items that have a home, and I just need to take them there now, and looking for obvious donations. So I'm working through that process. And like I said, if you want to see all of this in detail, I also released another version that you could even use for body doubling. It's about an hour long. And so if you'd like to declutter something as I am working through this space, then that might be kind of nice to have me talking through things as you're working. So I'm here demonstrating one of Dana's important concepts, which is the container concept. And that is that the size of the container dictates how much you can keep. And so if you go to a container and there is not room to put something in, you have to just quickly look through there and see if there's anything that you can get rid of. Sometimes you'll see me go off camera. That's because I am taking it there now. Another important aspect of the no mess decluttering method. So the reason I wanted to declutter this bed, aside from that it was a mess, is that I needed to wrap Christmas presents there. And I keep all of our wrapping things in the top three drawers there. And so I am needing to put all of those things away in the drawers. And so I'm going to quickly go through them to see if there's anything that I need to get rid of to make room. I pretty much had room to put everything in there that I needed to. I also took a little tiny bit of time to go through there and make sure that um, the drawers were properly organized. I keep all of the specifically Christmas bags in one drawer, and then I think that's the third drawer down, and then the second drawer down is for non-Christmas bags, and the top drawer is for wrapping paper. So I am doing a lot of talking here about that method because it is super important. So one of the things about Dana's method, it's called no mess because we do not just go and empty things out. We do not make a bigger mess. You can walk away from what you're working on at any moment, and you will not have made a bigger mess. We don't make piles. And so you can always just walk away. We do get distracted sometimes. We have to go somewhere, or a child needs us, or we just run out of time. So here I could have walked away from this at any point and not had a bigger mess. Another set of drawers here. I'm able to put some things away. We had collected a lot of things here that were donations. This tends to be a dumping ground for donations. And so I needed to kind of get some things. Ooh, there's a visit from my cat, Junie B. So a lot of these things were donations that I just needed to actually get out to the donation center. And some things had just landed there. There was a lot of trash that, like, for boxes that I was saving for the purpose of shipping at Christmas time. And we're almost done. And we're about to see the after. And just a reminder here, we're going to see where we started and how it looks after. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick decluttering. If you want to see the longer version, then please look for that. I released them both on the same day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.